Hey everyone, I'm back from retirement and today we're gonna have some fun. This is my first time attempting a fried pickle. And what better way than to share it on Pickle Snob? Are you kidding? Claussen dill pickle. These look gorgeous. Okay, here they are. I think my neighbor is watching me do this. Do you guys pet off your pickles before you put them on your sandwiches? Sometimes I do, but sometimes I like when it soaks into my bread. Also, do people who like pickles like mustard? Because they do have that, I don't know, tangy saltiness about them. Leave a comment if you like mustard. Can you tell which one was the first one? Three bad bitches. Wow. Here's the final product. And it's beautiful. Deliberation time is here. I'm very sweaty from the process. But here we go. Wow, these are monsters. Should I eat the best one? The one in the middle is clearly the best one. It's so salty though, but as pickle eaters, we love salt. I think I want to eat the best one because these probably aren't that great heated up. Oh my God. Look how thick. Thick as a bitch. Wow. Crunch level. It's everything I want it to be, but I would probably still say 8. But the juiciness is the craziest part. I feel like because like the pickle probably absorbs some of the oil, but it is very juicy and very warm and hot. Just like me and just like you. Juicy, warm, and hot. Do you guys like ranch? 3 fucking fried pickles down and I'm still going. I wonder what other pickles would be good with this. I saw people use Vlasic or whatever. I don't even know how to pronounce it because I don't eat that trash pickle, but I'm the only person I've seen make them with Claussens. Like, how? My stomach kind of hurts. Well, I think that's it. You came, you saw. Thanks for watching. I enjoy that there's a community out there that likes pickles just as much as I do. I do need to try some new pickles. Please send me some that are refrigerated, or just, you know, so I prefer refrigerated pickles, but I guess that's like a personal choice. But yeah, send me some more pickles that I should try, but I won't try Vlasic unless it's like a clickbait one, but I probably won't. So that is it from the Pickle Snob today. Let me know if you'd smash or pass these pickles.